Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your centers are solved and stable. This reduces complexity and prevents accidental breakage. Once done, pick one target edge by finding two matching wing pieces and position them in adjacent slots. Use a controlled inner slice to insert one wing beside its match, then reverse the slice to restore centers. Make sure to realign any disrupted centers immediately. This preserves your workspace and makes subsequent pairings consistent. Repeat this setup-pair-restore cycle. You now move into the repetitive but methodical middle stage where consistency matters. Keep a single buffer slot where you always bring an unpaired wing, pair it with its match using an inner slice, and then restore. This reduces mental overhead. Once several edges are paired, make sure you do not disturb them. Check centers and paired slots before every slice. If a piece isn't accessible, perform a short setup rotation to expose it, pair, and then undo the setup so the rest of your work remains intact. You finish by confirming all 12 edges are paired. At that point, treat the cube like a 3x3 and continue to solve corners and last layer. If you encounter parity, an impossible last layer state, apply the two-piece parity fix algorithm to swap the two problem edges, then proceed. Make sure to count paired edges and verify center alignment before assuming parity. Often what looks like parity is simply a mispaired wing or shifted center. If things go wrong, pause, rebuild centers, recount edges, then repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.